Hello, my name is Liz Watt and I'm a registered dietitian at the UNC Wellness Center. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to go ahead and make Zucchini Pizza Bites. It is a very simple, very tasty appetizer that you can take with you. I have gigantic zucchinis that I got in my garden this summer, so I'm really excited to use this. So you just need to take a regular zucchini. You want to slice off the bottom. You want to make them about a 1/4 inch thick rounds of your zucchini. You're going to take the rounds and you're going to put some aluminum foil on a sheet pan, spray it with cooking spray. Go ahead and put the rounds on your sheet pan. And then we're going to put just about 1 small spoonful of marinara sauce, pizza sauce, whatever you want to use. You could probably use pesto. You could use Alfredo sauce. Just gonna put a little dollop on each one of these. And then I have some shredded mozzarella, but you can use any cheese that you like. And just top them with a few pieces of some shredded cheese. We're going to throw them in the oven for about 8 minutes at 400 degrees. And we're back. So there you have it. You have Zucchini Pizza Bites. Zucchini with a little bit of marinara sauce and topped with some mozzarella cheese. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, UNC Wellness Centers, to find out more cooking videos. Thanks.